know it's been a minute, gang. Yeah, your boy been busy. And a whole lot of shit been going down too, bro. Whole lot of problems. Well, not big problems. I guess you could call it big problems. They're not really big problems. Well, the trans on the G blew 2 times. But then actually blew. The trans was just trash to begin with, so it didn't really blow. But first off, we put the first trans in. The torque converter was bad, so I bought a 1110 torque converter. Then put that in and whatnot. Boom. Turns out the shaft inside the trans was bad the whole time, not the torque converter. Boom, replaced that. Got another trans. Boom. Put this trans in, and long story short, we put this trans in and start the car up. It looked fine, everything. Put the trans in, start the car up, and the trans was making a bunch of noise. I'm gonna input that video right now. Yeah. So now it was on the warranty. They're on the warranty, so that's good. So now we're in the third one. They're about to put this one in. Good thing about this one now is it's a 2020. So if y'all know about the new tuning platform for the trans that came out with the VR30 tuning or whatever it is, they can tune the trans. Came out with the new trans tuning software for the VR30 and whatnot, just for the VQs and VR in general. So, as you know, and you need a 2019 plus trans to be able to use the software and tune it. So, this third trans now, they say it looks good and everything looks good, but it's a 2020, so we're in luck. So, I will be hitting up either Z1 or Sonic or one of them guys, one of them big guys, see if they can give me a nice tune to get some DCT shifts going. You know what I mean? Some nice quick shifts. But yeah, gang. So when I get the car back, I'm excited for that. Car's been at the shop for like literally almost 2 months now, you know what I mean? So just go, and the engine is fine, everything's good, man. It's just, we've just been going through trans issues, you know what I mean? So pray for me, gang. Hopefully luck is on my side, you know what I mean? Hopefully this third trans will be a good one, because I would love for it to be a good one, because it is a 2020, so I can get it tuned and get some faster shifts, you know? So that's where we are for now, gang, you feel me? But stay tuned, gang. Some 360 footage coming up. Looking hilly clean, you feel me? Sheesh. It is VQ family. Sheesh. This is the newer amount though, by the way. It's all like $70 for shipping online, bro. No, shit nice, man. You ain't gotta buy that Insta 360, you feel me, bro? That shit like 400. I think, I don't know, but it does the same. It's invisible. You can't see on the camera too, you know what I mean? It's fire, gang. But yeah, man. Let's get on the road, family. Snack right now, gang. On the corner just looking tucked away like that, gang. Radio like that inner corner, don't it? And that's all she wrote, Vicky family. Hope y'all enjoyed that little ride along, gang. Just testing out the Insta 360 X4. You know, been had it for like a month now. Why not test it out, right? I thought the G was gonna be back. It's just in time for me to test it out, but hey, gotta just use the RSX, right? But I just want to say too, gang, we had 1,100 subscribers now, man. Appreciate that, gang. Much love, gang. Next video should be way better. Audio should be way more crisp. And next video, we should have the G. The next video should be a 360 video with the G, gang. So stay tuned for that, family. Much love, man. And as always, like and subscribe.